Most people open Claude, type into chat, and assume they've seen the product. They haven't. Chat is one of 6 tools, which means 5/6 of the menu is sitting there collecting digital dust. And that matters, because asking chat to do every job is like hiring a smart employee, refusing to give them access to anything, and then complaining that all they do is offer suggestions. So let's fix that. Claude can help you think, complete work on your computer, accept instructions from your phone, build software, connect to business tools, and repeat your process. By the end of this video, you'll know what each one does, and which one you should actually use. These are not 6 identical products sitting neatly beside one another. Chat, Cowork, Dispatch, and Code are different ways of working with Claude. Plugins and skills are customization layers that make those experiences more useful. So yes, we're calling them 6 tools because that's easier than saying 4 working surfaces plus 2 extensibility mechanisms, like we're trapped in a software procurement meeting. Now, here's the useful version. Chat is the part you already know. You ask a question. Claude responds. You upload a document, work through an idea, draft an email, challenge an argument, or stare into the abyss of a blank page and ask it to blink first. Chat is best when the job is thinking. Imagine you're preparing a quarterly business review. You have sales notes, campaign numbers, customer feedback, and 3 executives who somehow want more detail and fewer slides at the same time. Use chat to decide what the story should be. What changed? Why did it change? What matters? What should leadership do next? Chat can help you find the argument hiding inside the pile of information. But chat normally gives you an answer. You still have to move that answer into the deck, spreadsheet, or document. It's a good brain. It does not automatically come with hands. When you need the work assembled, that's where Cowork enters. Cowork is designed for handing off multi-step knowledge work. You choose the folders, files, and connected tools Claude can access. Then you give it a goal instead of narrating every tiny action. For the quarterly review, you could point Cowork at your campaign exports, sales notes, last quarter's deck, and the folder containing your brand template. Then ask it to identify the important changes, calculate the relevant comparisons, draft the narrative, and assemble a first version of the presentation. That is a different relationship from chat. Chat tells you how you might build the deck. Cowork works across the material and gives you something to review. The words you choose matter. Giving an AI access to your work is useful for the same reason it creates risk. It has access to your work. Pay attention to permissions, review consequential actions, and avoid connecting every folder you have touched since 2009. Cowork reduces assembly. It does not remove responsibility. Dispatch extends Cowork to your phone. You can message Claude from mobile and assign work that runs through Claude on your desktop using the local files, connectors, plugins, and applications you have already configured. If finance sends revised numbers while you are away, Dispatch could ask Claude to update the analysis, rebuild the comparison table, and prepare a revised draft. There are practical requirements. For work that depends on local desktop files and applications, your computer needs to be awake, connected, and running the current Claude desktop app. Dispatch also requires the mobile app and currently has plan and beta limitations. That is different from a Claude Cowork session, which can continue on Anthropic servers without your computer remaining open. And yes, remote access deserves remote access levels of caution. If a phone instruction can trigger actions on your computer, a vague request or malicious content can do more than produce an awkward paragraph. Convenience expands capability. It also expands the blast radius of carelessness. Claude Code is the software engineering member of the family. It can inspect a codebase, write code, run commands, test changes, debug problems, and help ship software through a terminal, desktop app, or supported development environment. And no, you do not need to become a professional developer before you're allowed to touch it. For the quarterly review, maybe the real problem is not the deck. Maybe the problem is that someone repeats the same miserable process every 3 months. Claude Code could help build a small internal dashboard that imports your recurring exports, calculates the standard comparisons, and creates the charts automatically. Now you have moved from completing one task to improving the system that produces it. But natural language is not a magical exemption from engineering. Software still needs testing. Access controls still matter. Generated code can contain bugs. Deployment can still go sideways in inventive and emotionally expensive ways. Not knowing syntax is no longer the same thing as being unable to build. It is also not the same thing as no longer needing judgment. Use Claude Code when the output should be a tool, automation, application, or maintained codebase, not merely a finished document. Plugins package multiple capabilities together. According to Anthropic's current documentation, a plugin can bundle skills, connectors, and subagents into one installation. In normal person language, a plugin can give Claude instructions for a role, connect relevant services, and provide specialized agents. Available categories include sales, finance, legal, marketing, HR, engineering, operations, and data analysis. For our quarterly review, a sales-oriented plugin might bring in CRM context, account information, and repeatable briefing workflows. A finance setup might support reconciliation, variance analysis, and reporting tasks. Instead of building every piece yourself, you start with a configured package. But installed does not mean understands your company perfectly. Before you rely on a plugin, inspect what it includes. Check which services it connects to, which permissions it requests, and whether its built-in assumptions fit the way your team works. Not every part of a plugin runs everywhere. Anthropic says package skills can work in chat and Cowork. Hooks and subagents only work in Cowork. A plugin may also run software on your computer. Treat that code like any other local program. Review it before giving it access. A shocking idea, apparently. Skills are different. They teach Claude how to carry out a job you repeat. A skill starts with a file named skill.md. That file contains the instructions. The package can also include scripts, reference material, and assets. Think of it as the operating manual for one repeatable outcome. For the quarterly review, a skill could define the sections, approved metrics, chart rules, tone, executive summary, and human approvals. The next quarter, you do not need to re-explain the entire process from a blank chat. This is the difference between prompting and systematizing. A giant prompt says, "Remember this wall of instructions right now?" A skill says, "This is how this job works whenever it comes up." But creating the folder is not the finish line. Skills need testing. Trigger descriptions must be clear, and instructions need enough detail for consistency without becoming a novel nobody wants to reread. Build a skill when you keep correcting the same structure, format, voice, or sequence. If a task happens once, use chat. If the same correction happens every month, you probably have a process waiting to become a skill. Here is the clean version. Use chat when you need to think, ask, draft, analyze, or explore. Use Cowork when you want Claude to complete multi-step knowledge work across files and tools and return a deliverable. Use Dispatch when you want to initiate or manage desktop-based work from your phone. Use Claude Code when the output should be software, automation, an internal tool, or a maintained codebase. Use plugins when you want a packaged setup that combines role-specific instructions, connections, and agents. Use skills when you want Claude to repeat your particular process consistently. These are not mutually exclusive. A plugin can contain skills. Cowork can use plugins. Dispatch can initiate Cowork or Code work. Code can build a tool Cowork later uses. The mistake is not choosing the wrong product forever. The mistake is throwing every problem into chat because it is the only doorway you have bothered to open. Do not master all 6 this afternoon. That is how productivity becomes procrastination with better branding. Pick one recurring task that wastes your time. If you need a better answer, start with chat. If you need the work completed, try Cowork. If the task begins while you are away, look at Dispatch. If the process should become software, explore Code. If your role needs a ready-made setup, investigate plugins. And if you keep explaining the same process, build a skill. Comment with the one you use now and the one you'll test next. Subscribe for the practical setup guide to each, without the ritual sacrifice to corporate jargon.